Uy, ba't ganyan? Huwag ka tumawa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your singing wonder, and today we're gonna make another 3-ingredient coffee trend after dalgona, and that is the Kori Kohi Coffee. So as what I've said, tatlong ingredient lang siya. Tatlo daw. Tatlong ingredient lang siya. We have the coffee and yung milk natin nasa nandun, but that would be after when the coffee will be frozen already. So ito yung coffee natin guys. I'm using Nescafe Classic. So maglagay lang ako actually ng depende sa inyo guys kung how strong you want it to be. Oops, ang dami yata. Pwede na siguro ito, teka. Ang dami. Yan, isa. Tapos dalawa lang siguro. Yan. Tama na actually, madami na yung kanina eh. Usually they just put 2 tablespoons of coffee. And then put in the hot water. Hot water siya, i-mix mo lang. Ganyan. Oops. Yan. Mix mo lang siya. Ayan. Warm water. Pwede na actually. So after nyo na ma-mix yung coffee guys, ilagay na natin siya dito sa anong tawag dito? Ice cube maker. O yan, ganyan. So guys, after a few hours, andito na po yung coffee natin, ice cubes natin. Coffee ice cubes. So matigas na siya. So ilagay na natin siya dito sa jar. Okay. Ito na siya. 1, 2, kailangan natin siya. 3. Oops, paano ba ito tanggalin? 4. Ayaw matanggal. Ito na lang. 5. Pwede na siguro yung 6 cubes. We'll put 6 cubes first. Ito na nga lang. Okay. Then after that, ibuhos na natin yung milk natin. Whoop! Nabuhos. Ibuhos ka, binuhos sa lamesa. Okay, ganun daw pag-hold ng milk. Uy, ba't ganyan? Huwag kang tumawa.
Ganda niya na.
Ayan. Ang sarap nito. Ayan guys, so ganun lang kasimple. Actually, hindi ako masyado magaling mag-gaya, kaya tignan mo. So ito yung Kori Kohi Coffee natin, the next coffee trend. So it's up to you guys, kasi yung iba minsan gusto nila ng Americano. So hot water lang yung nilalagay nila. Hot water kasi para matuna yung ice cubes. Coffee cubes, I mean. So, tayo, gusto ko yung milk para creamy siya, masarap siya. Now, it's up to you guys if you want still to put sugar or what's that? Syrup. So, gusto ko siyang wala akong syrup. Hindi ko alam, actually meron dyan. Hindi ko alam saan ko nilagay. Kaya I just wanna put sugar in it. 1, 2 rin. Okay, and then mix. I think masarap to. Nandito pa yung ice cubes, oh. Coffee cubes. Uy, masarap pa. Masarap din siya. Guys, kung masarap yung dalgona coffee, masarap din yung Kori Kohi. Masarap siya, actually. Gusto ko siya. Ang sarap! Wow! Ang kagandahan kasi nito guys, kasi I still have my coffee cubes here. So kung gusto nyo medyo mas matapang pa siya, pwede mo siyang lagyan. pwede mo siyang anuhin, lagyan mo siya. So ito guys, para sa akin tama na to. Ang sarap. So that was it guys. That was our Kori Kohi Coffee. So if you like this video guys, just please give this a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated guys, and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next one.